In today's video, I'm going to teach you step-by-step guide to start trading small on Exness. We'll keep it simple and practical so you can begin with confidence, even if you only have a few dollars to start. First, create your account on Exness and complete the verification. This unlocks deposits and withdrawals and keeps your profile secure. Once you're in the personal area, add a new trading account and select the standard cent type. A cent account is perfect for beginners because it displays your balance in cents, which makes position sizes smaller and more manageable. Next, fund the account with at least $10 or the equivalent in your local currency. Don't be surprised when the balance shows as USC, US cents. $10 appears as 1,000 USC, and that is normal for a cent account. Now connect this new cent account to the MetaTrader 5 platform. During the setup, choose a strong trading password and keep it private. Once MT5 is linked, you'll be able to log in, see quotes, open charts, and place orders directly from your phone or desktop. Before you take any trades, choose your trade size. Start with the smallest possible lot, 0.01. On a cent account, that micro lot keeps your exposure tiny, which is exactly what you want with a small balance like $10. Risk management is crucial. Aim to risk 1% or less per trade. With a very small account, that means profits and losses will be small too, but the goal right now is to preserve capital and build skill. Be patient and avoid increasing your lot size until the account grows significantly. Think in milestones, such as doubling the balance. If your broker offers very high leverage, like 1 to unlimited, treat it carefully. Leverage magnifies both gains and losses, and taking oversized positions can trigger margin calls. Keep lots small and use stops so a single mistake doesn't wipe out your progress. You're ready to start trading. Use MT5 to analyze charts, identify the trend, and wait for clear setups that fit your plan. When you place a trade, keep the lot size tiny, set your stop where the idea is proven wrong, and let the trade play out without overreacting to small fluctuations. Review the results, note what worked, and repeat the process. With discipline, a cent account lets you learn, manage risk, and grow steadily without needing a big deposit.